So I'm going to take these metal frames from Dollar Tree and I'm going to use this pool noodle as well. I'm going to take a scissor and I'm going to cut it in the middle like that. Then after I cut it, just press it down with your finger and it should be fine. Just do the whole thing out like that. Then after that, I'm going to place the metal inside like that. The frame, just go ahead and keep placing it like that all the way around it. But before you do that, make sure to take some safety pins and you're going to place it at the end like that. And then you're going to place it all the way in that side around it. Just continue doing a few more just to attach it better so it won't fall apart. And then you're going to go ahead and attach it like that on the other side just to hold it perfectly fine. Then I took this cloth for cards. It's like you take the white one and I'm going to place it in the wire between the two little wire like that of the frame. I'm going to mark it down just to know where I'm going to cut and then just start cutting. For easier way, just fold it like that and then just go ahead and cut it straight down like that until you're done cutting the whole thing. Once you're done cutting it, just go ahead and place it in the little frame like that. And here I'm doing this just so it won't show that part because I didn't like it how it showed. And just take your hot glue and attach it to the frame like that. Just go ahead and continue doing that until you do the whole thing, attaching until you're done with the end. And at the end, just cut the extra pieces and attach it with the hot glue as well. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and flip it around like that. And I'm going to take these leaves. They have this at Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to attach it with hot glue like that. Just put one at the bottom and then put one at the top, like bottom, top, and you're going to continue doing that, attaching it like that. Just continue doing that until you are done. Put another way that you guys can do, just put the leaf on a Q-tip like that and it's easier to place it inside. So I suggest you guys to do it this way instead of the other way that I was doing. Just go ahead and place a Q-tip like that and attach it there. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach the flowers. So you're going to take different color flowers in here, like dark or light, or you could just do all white. It's up to you however you want to do it and however you want it to look. So then after that, I'm going to continue attaching flowers all the way around just to fill up the gap of the white. And this is how it turns out, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching almost at the end. I'm going to attach a few branches. I'm going to attach this leaf. And this is for the fall decor that I'm gonna do it, and then just go ahead and attach some pumpkin. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out, and it's so simple and it's so inexpensive. I hope you guys like this DIY. This is just like a fall decor Thanksgiving looking type of DIY. This is how it look in the outside, which I think it came out super cute. Now for the next DIY, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the leaves out and I'm going to put a little bit of dark colors in here. So I'm gonna do black branches all the way around as well, and this one I'm gonna transform it into a Halloween theme. So they have this bat in Dollar Tree, but they didn't have it in black, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint it in black, and then I'm gonna place 4 of them all the way around. You could place more if you would like. Then after that, I'm going to put a few sculpts, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. And I think it came out so pretty and it's so simple to do. I hope you guys like this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and please do not forget to like, comment down below, and share if you think other people would love to make one of these decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.